here again with Guardian Fleet Safety. We got another packed lot this week, and it's getting pretty crazy around here, so trying to do as many videos as we can. Tonight we're going to be checking out the 2021 Dodge Ram SSV for Benson County, North Dakota. So let's dive into it. Okay, so starting off on the front end here, we have a Weston public safety push bumper with the built-in sound-off signal N-Force lights. And then below that we have the new sound-off signal 6x1 M-Power high output, like off-road lights. And man, do they pack an insane punch. The video definitely does not do it justice. I believe they're about 4,500 lumens each. So you think about your average Stinger flashlight, you know, is between 8 and 1,100 lumens on high power, and those are 4,500 lumens each. Got a sound off signal 100J siren speaker. Got a real nice Ghost decal kit, thanks to advanced graphics. Again, Benson County, North Dakota Sheriff's Office. It's a new customer of ours. Everything's being powered by the Whelen Carbide. Up on the top there we have a Whelen Duo Legacy. Under the mirrors there we have our sound off signal intersector lights, dual color. We have our Unity spotlight that we have mounted on here. That's not a factory option, should be, but it's not. We also have our factory wigwag. So the high beam wigwag you see, that is actually just activated off the factory wiring. That comes with the SSV package. Moving off to the side, in the rear windows we have sound off signal M-Power lights. Isn't that flag just amazing? Such a beautiful night. It's a great country we live in. Home of the free right here. Up on the top there, again, video doesn't do it justice, but it's blinding the crap out of me, are more 6x1s. Now the placement up here was originally going to go on the rails, but obviously they have the Ram box, so they wouldn't really fit there. But it kind of worked out good that way too. So that's there to provide them side scene lighting. This is a rural county. You know, they might go out to the crash and ambulance might be a half hour out or something. They need to light up the whole ditch, or they're looking for somebody. They really needed scene lighting. That's one of the main complaints, I guess, they came to the table with is, you know, we just can't see when we're out in the middle of nowhere. There's no street lights out here, okay? This is out in the middle of nowhere, so they really needed that to be able to do their job properly. So got some nice reflective hash marks back there. We have surface mount intersectors, dual color, so those will go white in reverse, as well as scene lighting. We have some nice Whelen ions in the back window. Just as the vehicle gets closer, it's going to cut the light bar, especially if it's a shorter vehicle. As it gets closer to the truck, it might cut off the light bar a little bit. So those lights in the back window are just to help the vehicle see that. This is drive level 3. So this is what it's looking like when they're running lights and sirens. As usual, it's set up with all the fancy features, park, cruise mode in level 2 park. You know, all that kind of stuff. So stalker radar, again our Unity spotlight. That truck does not like that it's not in park, so we're going to go ahead and shift that into park here so it's happy. Got our watch guard camera system up top. Satina black rack, rifle rack. Another Streamlight flashlight. And we have our siren controller. Again, it's wheel and carbide. We have some nice seat covers from Tiger Tough. Again, we talk a lot about those. That's going to help protect the seat for a long time to come. In the back, we have a Satina partition, Satina window bars. Partition was recycled out of an old F-150, so we just had to get a transfer kit for that. In the back here, we have a tonneau cover we put on, and then it's also got the decked bed system too. So this is a real great option. You know, it's probably a more affordable option than your high-end stuff like a truck vault or something. This is a little more reasonable and still achieves pretty much the same thing. So we had that installed. And then going up to the passenger side here, all of these Dodge Rams can be tough to work on sometimes because the back seat is really weird. There's not a lot of room under here. So we put the radio amp back here. Okay, but all of the fuses we actually mounted back here behind the front passenger seat. So we have a constant, we have a timed, we have our brake kill back there, and then the siren controller is under the seat. So it's still easily accessible, but it is still out of the way. And again, it's not under the seat where it's just prone to getting kicked by the prisoner and dirt on it and all kinds of crappy stuff. So, and here's a picture of it in park. So goes into park and get our back forth. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time. Be safe up there.